Do you know what a photographer, an automotive e-commerce store, and a women's supplement company have in common? They all generated hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue using Facebook ads. One of our photography clients drove 5,813 leads at an average cost of just $6.41 per lead. At IndeedSEO, we've helped businesses drive millions of dollars using Facebook ads and social media marketing. So today, I'm revealing 5 best practices to help you create Facebook ads that actually convert. Let's get started. The first rule is that your ad must grab attention immediately. Use high-quality images and videos that stand out. Keep your text short, clear, and persuasive. Use a strong call to action like "Shop now" or "Get your free guide." For example, a fitness brand increased conversions by 35% just by adding a limited-time offer in their ad. Targeting the right people is key. Use Facebook's custom and lookalike audiences to target buyers. Set up audience segmentation based on interests, demographics, and behaviors. Retarget website visitors and cart abandoners, as they are 10 times more likely to convert. If you're selling luxury products, avoid broad targeting. Instead, focus on high-income buyers and premium product users. Not all ads perform the same. Here's what you should test. Carousel ads, great for showcasing multiple products. Video ads, engage users 3 times more than static images. LED ads, best for capturing emails and phone numbers. Always A/B test your creatives, headlines, and calls to action to find what works best. 4. Optimize for mobile and speed. Over 80% of Facebook users are on mobile. If your ad isn't mobile-friendly, you're losing sales. Use square or vertical images for better visibility. Keep your landing pages fast and responsive. Reduce form fields, as shorter forms increase conversion rates by 50%. 5. Monitor and scale the winners. Don't just set it and forget it. Check your click-through rate and aim for at least 2%. Look at the cost per conversion and optimize for the best performing ads. Scale winning ads by increasing the budget gradually, not all at once. If your ad isn't converting after 3 days, pause it and test a new angle. Let's recap the 5 best practices for high-converting Facebook ads. Use eye-catching visuals and strong ad copy. Define and refine your target audience. Test different ad formats to maximize results. Optimize for mobile and fast-loading pages. Monitor, tweak, and scale the winners. Want more expert tips? Drop a comment below and let us know what you're struggling with in Facebook ads. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IndeedSEO, the best marketing agency to help you grow your business. See you in the next video.